Hey, I'm Kimberly from SavvyMamaLifestyle.com, and today we're making Texas trash pie. It is a sweet, salty, yummy goodness that comes all together in one pie, and it's so easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and show you today how you dump all the ingredients together, and it turns out to a delicious, yummy pie. So originally this pie came from Round Top, Texas, from the Royer family. There's been a couple different variations, but this is the tried and true recipe. It has chocolate chips, it has caramel, it has graham crackers, it has coconut, and so you're getting all these different snacky, salty, sweet flavors together in one pie. And it's really easy. It's one of those recipes that you remember because it's basically 1 cup of all the ingredients and then 2 extra ingredients to top it off, and you mix it all up. So let's get to it. So in my large mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of the graham cracker crumbs, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1 cup of caramel bits. Now, I couldn't find caramel bits at the store, so I used the caramel chews, the Kraft caramel squares, and I chopped them up. If you can find the caramel bits, that's what you're looking for. A cup of those, a cup of chopped pecans, cup of chocolate chips, and then you're gonna mix that all together. So easy. You also have a cup of pretzels. I forgot to mention that too. So you chop up your pretzels into really fine pieces. All right, so once you've got your pretzels, your caramel, your chocolate chips, your coconut, and your graham cracker and pecans all mixed together, you're gonna bring it together with some melted butter. Just 1 stick of melted butter. Awesome. Then we go with our condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. This stuff is so delicious. So there's no eggs in this pie at all. It all comes together with the milk and the butter. You really wanna get every last drop of this goodness stuff because this is what's really gonna mix your pie together. Then we're gonna give it a big stir, making sure that everything is mixed nicely. Stir it on up, and you can see all these flavors are going to be so good. If you are a snacky, salty, sweet person, that's my husband, like, you're gonna love this pie. And I basically just crush the pretzels in a Ziploc baggie. So easy. Everything else, the graham cracker crumbs, I didn't even crush them. I bought them already crumbled up. And they kind of act as a agent to stick everything together as well. Okay, so I have everything nicely mixed. You can see it's coated with the evaporated milk. Oh my goodness, there's no eggs. I mean, we could take a bite. All right, so here's your filling. Look how nice that looks. It's thick. It's gonna be a thick pie. There's 2 different ways you could do it. I have one in the oven right now. That's a Pillsbury pie crust that I rolled out, or you can use a deep dish frozen, ready to go pie crust. This is Marie Callender's. For the sake of being super easy, and I already have one in the oven that's a rollout pie crust, I'm gonna use my frozen one right now. So just go ahead and fill this baby up, and then pat down all the ingredients, and you're gonna get nice and full. There we go. Yum, yummy. Okay. This bakes up to like a cookie-like texture. So you're gonna be really enjoying a nice, thick, cookie-like pie. There you go. Fill it all the way up. And then once you have it filled to the top, you are going to bake it for 35 minutes at 350 degrees in the oven. And I am about to show you the final results, but here it is. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Maybe I'll fill it up a little bit more. All right, guys, I just pulled our Texas trash pie out of the oven. It's, I'm gonna tilt it a little bit, but it's not fully set in the center. It's hot still, so I have to let it fully cool, and that will finish, help the center finish baking. And it looks a little bit golden brown. This is the one I made where I rolled out the pie crust, but like I said, if you wanna use a frozen pie crust, you can too. I did that one earlier, so I made 2 different versions of the pie. The center is gonna set, and once it's completely cool, then you can slice into it. And it's got that cookie-like texture. Serve it with some vanilla ice cream, and it is beautiful. It's gonna have that sweet, that salty, unexpected flavor. So good. No eggs, but easy pie. Texas trash pie, everyone. So good. cannot wait to show you the finished result.
All right, here is Texas trash pie right out of the oven, cutting a slice out. It's got that cookie-like texture, super sweet and salty. Pair it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you've got one heck of a dessert. We love it. It's great for any occasion. It cuts so well. And if you want the full recipe, you can see the link below with all the details. And for more, look at SavvyMamaLifestyle.com. And thanks for subscribing.